Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So guys, I'm not going to beat around the bush doing any intro on this video, whatever. We're just going to dive right into this video. So as you guys can see, I'm moisturizing Adobe's hair with a leave-in conditioner, a DIY leave-in conditioner actually. After that, I braided the middle of her hair as you guys can see, and I started sectioning in a slant way because we're going to be doing a shuku hairstyle. Yeah. So I parted in slant way, tied out the part that I'm not working with. Yeah, just tied out all, and this is what we have. We have 5 sections and 1 middle. So we're gonna begin this style at the center. Okay, I'm gonna start parting out, curved lines, and make sure the line is sleek and straight. Well, curved actually, not straight. I'll brush that in with my shine and jam, obviously, which I didn't show. So after I have gotten a perfect curved line, I started cornrowing. Okay, I'll cornrow till I get to the middle. And guys, I'm not adding any extension to this cornrow. No Brazilian wool, no yarn wool, no attachments, if that's if that what it's called. I'm not adding any extension at all. I'll just braid out with her natural hair, and yeah, I'm just done with this particular one. And I did the same on the other side. Okay, I repeated the same on the other side, and okay, I've said a lot of "ands" just in the small sentence I've made. Anyways, again, I will part out a curved line on the other side. See, what I'm doing here is I'll work on this side, next I'll work on the other side, I'll go back to the first side, I will work on the other side, just opposite direction, on and on. Like I'm not cornrowing just one side or through, like I will do on one side and cornrow on the other side, if that makes sense. So I'll do the same on this side. I'll cornrow till I get to the middle, and I'll go back again on the other side, cornrow till I get to the middle. So you guys should just keep on watching this process. Don't run away. Don't think that that's all to this style and you just click out or fast forward. Please take your time, watch this video, watch the process, trust the process, and trust me, you will get more than you would get if you fast forward this video. Okay, so yeah, just listen to the music in the background and keep on watching. So finally, I am done with this middle part, and we still have 4 more to go. Yeah, 4 or 3. I think that's 4 or 3. I think 3. We still have 3 more to go, and I did one. Now we are left with 2, and I'm about to do the 3rd one. And I'm moisturizing that with a leave-in detangling spray, DIY actually. And I'll start patting out the same way, curved pattern. Make sure it is straight, even though it's curved, make sure it is clean. Yeah, I'll part to the middle. When you are approaching the middle part, that is the whole shuku, the center, that place that there is ponytail. Once you're approaching that place, you'll start cutting the hair smaller. It will not be as big as when you started from the beginning. I don't know if you guys are getting me though, but yeah. But for this style, you wouldn't put in so much work in making the ending part, that is when you're going closer to the shuku part, smaller, because that's more braiding I did at the middle. The first braid that I did before I started sectioning the rest of the hair, yeah, so that would enable you not to narrow down your pattern once you're approaching the middle part. I don't know if you guys are getting me. That will enable you not to do a lot of narrowing, because that circular braiding that I did there kind of balance it all. Does that make any sense? I hope it does. So watch closely to see how I am sectioning this last one. Yeah, you guys see that will give a conk illusion. I don't want to say curve, like this is more than curve. It makes it look even more beautiful. It added a statement, should I say. Anyways, you just have to, you know, do that for your child as well, so it can beautify everything to look more divine, more beautiful. And yeah, we'll just braid that out all the way. All road leads to the middle. Yeah, all road leads to the middle. And for this last one, we're just gonna repeat everything we have been doing so far for the middle, the side, and yeah, we're literally just gonna repeat everything. So guys, if you've watched to this point, please give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Okay, thank you. So at this point, they brought food for my madam because she was hungry and I had to feed her. I mean, what's hair making without eating in between? No, it's not possible. We don't do that here. We always eat in between. We eat food, we snacks, we do a lot in between. Sometimes we even sleep in between. But on this day, she didn't sleep because her eyes was wide open. She was watching this TV show, this cartoon that she was enjoying so much. She even sang along at some point in time, you know. She just loved that cartoon so much. So there was no blinking at all. I always tell my mamas how to make these kids stay put whenever their hair is being made. I get that kids can be very cranky. They don't like staying in a place. They don't want you to touch their hair. I understand all this. I mean, Adobe was once like that. She has gone through that phase. Sometimes she can be cranky even at this age. So I always tell you all, just turn on the TV for them. No matter how much they strain their neck, just manage. Okay, manage. Or if the TV is not close by, give them your phone, give them their tablet to watch something so the hair can go smoothly. Give them that lollipop they have been craving for so you can make their hair in peace. So guys, we've gone far. Actually, I'm done cornrowing the hair. I've showed you guys the ponytail and now I am oiling her scalp with this satin oil. Okay, at those satin oil, just to refresh her scalp, to prevent itchiness, to prevent dandruff and all of that. And after that, I tied out the shuku, then started installing the detachable ponytail. Guys, you can leave your hair, you can leave your child's hair at this point, okay? Especially if you don't want to deal with the hassle of dangling hair or the hassle of beads. If you don't want to deal with all that, or you don't want to go through the stress of installing anything, just leave the hair like that. And also, in case your child's school doesn't allow beads, like my child's school, don't bother, or you can just save the whole ponytail for outing. Like I always say, we have quite some ponies laying around the house. You guys know I used to say this. Anyways, after that I switched to this red one. You know, it looks more vibrant. I don't know. I don't know, but at the end of the day, we finalized with this kinky afro kinky bun. It looks more exotic. I don't know, there's just something about afro kinky, there's something about afro in general, and it looks so divine on Adobe. Let me know what you think. Which do you prefer, the ponytail or the afro kinky? Leave comment below. I definitely would want to know that. Anyways, that brings us to the end of this video. Do give this video a thumbs up. Okay, bye bye.